So from here 1 mm, approximately 1 mm, and from here 1 mm. So total the gap should be 1.6 approximately. And the depth was given 3 mm. So this distance is 3 mm. Then you can see a bush made of brass material of outside diameter 24 mm and inside diameter 18 mm. This circle already for 24 mm we have already drawn. So another 18 mm diameter circle we have to draw, because the bush will sit on this hole. So choose pro circle. This one is a 18 mm diameter circle. And also you can see hole of 3 mm on the bush. So you have to extend this hole, oil hole, on the bush also. Then you have to assemble this lock nut. The lock nut thickness was given 10 mm and the threaded diameter M10. So this lock nut will assemble here. So first mark a point 10 mm. From this line you mark 10 mm. Then draw a line. Sorry, the thickness of nut was not 10, it was 5. So you mark 5 mm from here and draw a rough line. Then as the thread diameter was M10, then the overall size of the net will be 20 mm. So from here you mark 10 mm. From the center line you mark 10 mm and about 10 mm. Then this side was chamfered, so you can see 3 arcs here. Just 1.5 mm gap, you draw another line. So this distance should be approximately 1.5. Use suitable circle to draw the curve. For this middle circle, you have to middle arc, you have to use some bigger circle. Similarly, you have to draw on the left side also. So I have completed on the left side also. As we are going to section on this right side, some of the lines are erased, and here you can see some of the lines are retained. So next we have to draw the top view. Project 2 lines from the front view. So we will draw the base part. You can see this length is equal to 134, and this radius is equal to 36. If this radius is 36, then this distance will be 36 and this distance will be 36. So totally you will get 72 mm. From here you mark 36 mm and draw a line, and also at the bottom use compass, measure this distance and cut an arc on the center line to get the middle point. Similarly on the right side, then keep your compass over here and draw a semicircle. Similarly on the right side, next you can see a circle here. The circle diameter was given 70, then the radius will be 35, so mark 35. Next, ninth part, bearing block is coming at the top, so this top view we have to draw here. Here you can see here two circles mention oil holes. So inner circle diameter was 3, outer circle diameter is not given, we can take it as 6 mm. diameter circle, 6 mm diameter circle, then I am going to draw these two lines 40 mm diameter, so this distance is 20 mm, 20 mm. So this distance should be 40 mm, and I am going to draw this distance given 54 mm. Half of it is 27, so from here you mark 27 and draw a line. Similarly on the then this thickness was given 6 mm, so I am going to draw this line. From here you measure 6 mm and draw a line. From here you measure 6 mm and draw a line above it. Then you can see this distance was given 48, so from here, from the center line, it will be 24 mm. So from here you mark 24 mm and draw a small line. 24 mm. Use pro circle to round this corner. Draw semicircle. The diameter of circle chosen should be 6 mm. The circle diameter is 6 mm. Then I am going to draw this box. So the distance is given 57 and the diameter is 15 mm. 57, half of it is 28.5. 28.5, mark a point. 15 mm, half of it is 7.5. 7.5, 7.5. Similarly on the right side. From here 57, 15, half of it is 7.5, 7.5.